What's going on, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a beautiful day. Thank you for stopping by the channel. This is the first official real video. As you guys, I don't know what I'm gonna name this yet, so I'll kind of let the day tell me what the title of the video will be. But as of right now, the goal is to go to Ace Hardware, get some screws for me to put this tag on my trailer. And then once a week, guys, you may have seen these videos on YouTube before, but once a week, I'm gonna try and do my part. I'm very blessed, so I'm gonna try and do my part and give back to the community and mow 1 yard for free, or just one property for free that I find. So that is the goal, aside from putting this tag on first, so we don't get a ticket. But I will be looking for 1 yard or one property I can go mow absolutely for free today. Of course, I'm not gonna cut like 5 acres, but yeah, that's the goal, guys. This is my brand new, I don't even know if it's a week. Yeah, actually it's a week old today, actually. That's crazy. Yeah, week old today. No, week old tomorrow, I'm sorry. It's a week old tomorrow. This is my Z920M. She is beautiful. I have driven and owned many lawnmowers, riding and zero turn. This is my first ever one that I purchased myself. My first ever commercial mower. So I'm loving it. Gonna go see if we can't do some good work. Do a good deed for somebody. All right, guys, so I didn't get the guy's name. I'll get it before the end of the video. But on my way to Ace Hardware to put my tag on, which I've already done, I found a yard that's a decent size. Definitely not an acre or anything like that. But he said he's already cut his backyard in the front. He just didn't get to because of the rain. So I told him, hey, man, look, we're just doing a good deed, giving back to the community. I'll cut it absolutely free for you. So he offered to pay me. That's not what this is about, guys. So I'll let him keep his money, but I appreciate the offer. But yeah, I'll show you guys the yard. I already told him I'm gonna be recording just to get the before and after. So I'll let you guys see what we got going on, man. All right, guys, so I made it back home. This is the end of the video. As you should have saw the end results by now. I'm just kind of filming this in a wonky order, but it's starting to rain, so I'm trying to speed up. But I appreciate you guys if you made it this far, man. Each and every one of you guys, thank you for watching the first official video. Like I said, we'll try and do 1 free yard a week. That guy, I gave him some of my flyers, so he was saying he knows a ton of people. So I may get busier. The goal is to be busier than the free yard, but I'm still going to try and get that 1 free yard. So whenever I have some time to, guys, I will. I promise I'm not going to give up on people. Do good when you can, help out when you can. But I'll still film my actual cut, like every cut, guys, I'm gonna film. So the one paid, if they're free, I'll tell you guys like a breakdown, how I charged, everything, the whole 9 yards. I just realized that my seat has that is pretty cool. I've never seen that on there before. Learn something new every day. But again, appreciate you guys. It's starting to rain, so see you in the next one.